Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create an ebook without writing a single word. Keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to create an ebook without writing a single word. Now you can make money guys selling your own ebook, or you can build up your email subscribers or email list by giving away your ebook for free in exchange for an email address or a lead, and you can make more money guys monetizing your leads with different kind of offers from JBZoo, Clickbank, Marketplace, or any kind of affiliate offers that you wanted to promote through your list. Ebook is one of the best way to to make money online or to build up your email subscribers or email list. I'm gonna be using Scribble to do this guys, but actually you can create an ebook using Google document, but I'm gonna be using Scribble. Now if you don't know what is a Scribble, it's basically web applications gonna let you guys create an ebook without you having to write a single word. But that's just one of the options or one of the features within Scribble. It's gonna let you write an ebook. It's gonna let you create an ebook without writing a single word, but you can actually customize your ebook while within Scribble, which is really powerful, right? Now if you guys wanted to check it out, there's a link below this video if you wanted to check out Scribble. But I'm gonna give you access guys to a coupon code that's gonna let you save 80% off Scribble. Now Scribble guys is gonna cost you $67, but if you guys use the link down in the description of this video, you only get this for only $13, which is really powerful guys. I'm gonna show you how that's done, right? So I'm gonna change this into US dollar right here. Just like I said, this only works if you guys use the link down in the description of this video and use this coupon code right here. The name of this coupon code is SAVE80, and click on apply. Is gonna make this $13 only, which is really powerful. And just like I said guys, this only works if you guys use the link down in the description of this video if you would purchase a Scribble. But it doesn't really necessary if you don't wanna use Scribble. You can create Scribble. You can create an ebook using only Google Documents if you wanted to do that. But if you guys wanted to use Scribble, then use the link down in the description of this video and then use that coupon code, which is SAVE80. Alright, so I'm inside of my account right here. What I can do now, I can click on start scribbling right here, and it's gonna let me guys select a template. And what's really cool about Scribble is it has this really nice looking and beautiful looking elegant template right here that I can choose right here. So let's say I'm gonna be using this template right here, which is make money online, because this is my niche, which is affiliate marketing or make money online. And there's also tons of template right here guys. There's weight loss, there's like lottery jackpot, there's like Bitcoin. There are tons of template that you can use right here. So I'm just gonna use this make money online because this is my niche right here. I can click on view right here to preview this template. Alright, so I can click on this one to preview this template, something like this, and I can close this one and I can click on this use icon right here. It's gonna let me guys use this template to create my ebook. So I'm gonna name my ebook 5 ways to make money online fast, something like this. And then I'm gonna click on this create your ebook. Alright, and it's gonna let you guys create your ebook in the background without you having to lift your finger. Alright, it's gonna do the work for you, and it will probably take a couple of minutes, right? Alright guys, so now our template guys has been loaded into our editor right here. Now we can pretty much customize this template right here guys. If you want to customize this template, now you can customize the image right here. You can customize the name of this ebook, your name right here, which is the author name, which is you because you're the creator or the author of your ebook. The table of contents right here, everything is customizable right here guys. Now what I can do guys is I can add in the content. Click on content right here, and then there are like 4 options that you have. You can add in the content from article collections right here. Now there are like thousands of articles right here that you can use. And you can also copy and paste an article or text writer. So if you have an article and someone write the article for you, then you can just paste the article right here, or you can upload a Word file or document right here, or you can grab a content from a URL, which is the feature that I'm going to be using today, because I'm going to be creating an ebook without writing a single word. So what you can do is I can go to Google and look for an article, and I found this article right here, guys. 5 real ways to make money online. What I can do, guys, is I can read this article, and I can grab the URL of this article. If I like this article, I can use this article or website. I can grab the URL right here, and I'm gonna paste that URL right here, and that's pretty much it. Click on add content, and the software will automatically pull out the content from that website or URL and put that content into your ebook right here. Alright, now when you guys scroll down right here, so you can see, guys, the content has been added into my ebook right here. Now you can fully customize this one. You can remove this text right here if you wanted to do that. You can remove this text right here if you wanted to do that. You can add your own conclusions right here. You can rewrite this article if you wanted to do that. You can readjust things right here. You can drag in the text. Let's say you wanted to drag this text somewhere right here. You can readjust that one right here. You can readjust this one right here, right? So you can pretty much customize your ebook, right? Or you can click on this. So let's say you wanted to bring this paragraph right here into this page number 7 right here. Now what I can do is I can hover over into this paragraph right here. I can click on this icon right here, and I'm gonna change this into 7. Alright, and I click on go, and that text will be added right here at the bottom of this. Now what I can do now is I can readjust this one right here. I can paste this, I can put that right here. Now what I can also do is I can readjust the settings of this text right here by changing the the margins, the font size, everything, the weight, the font, you can pretty much customize this text right here, the color, all those good stuff, the line height, text align, center, left align, you can pretty much customize your ebook right here. Now other thing that you can do, guys, is you can delete a section. So let's say you don't want to use this section right here or page right here. So what you can do is you can delete this page, or you can delete this page if you don't want to use this page. Alright, and you can also delete this one, add about contact. So delete this one, and then you can readjust this one, something like that. You can readjust this image right here. You can readjust this right here, right? You can also make it smaller, make it the image smaller if you wanted to do that. And then you can readjust these things right here if you wanted to do that. You can readjust this thing right here if you wanted to do that. So that's your page number 1. Another thing that you can do, guys, is you can add in you can also monetize your ebook, guys, with different kind of offers. So let's say this one right here, promote an affiliate product on your website or blog. Now what you can do is you can highlight this text, and you can put your affiliate link into this text right here. Now what you can do is you can go to ClickBank, JVZoo, and Warrior Plus, or other affiliate program right there that you have an affiliate link, and this is where you put your affiliate link. Now what you can do is let's say, for example, this is the affiliate link, this is your affiliate link. So highlight this text right here and click on link right here, and this is where you put your affiliate link to further monetize your ebook. The hash this affiliate link, alright? That way you can make more money, alright? And yeah, you can basically drag this. If you don't wanna use this, you can readjust this text. So you can drag it like there, or you can bring it into the next page number 3. So click on this icon right here and bring it to page number 3 if you wanted to do that. Alright, and then for the table of contents, you can go back to your page right here, and we can copy the title of this, or we can just go back to your page right here. So we can just copy this thing right here, that's the number 1. We can put that as our you know, we can delete this number 1 right here. Alright, and we can go back to number 2. Number 2 is this one right here. So we can copy this one, and we can go back right here. We can paste that thing right here, and then we can remove the number 2. And then let's say number 3. Let's say this one is number 3. We can go back to our right here, and then we can remove the number 3. And then let's go to number 4, create an online course to sell. Alright, and put that right here, and then remove that one right there, and then go to number 5, which is the last one, which is publish and sell your ebook, which is what we're doing right now. We are creating our own ebook and publishing our own ebook, right, to make money. You can sell your own ebook, or you can, you know, give away your ebook in exchange for, you know, a lead magnet, or a lead. Or what you can also do is I can, like, delete this. I'm just gonna delete this one right here, and what I can do is I can duplicate this one. I can, you know, readjust this one right here on the paste as plain text right here, and I'm gonna just remove this one. Alright, and then I can further customize this to change the color of this background. If you wanted to do that, you can just, you know, change the color to whatever color you want to make. So let's say you want to use rudder, so let's say you wanted to use that one, you can also do that. You can change the name of this. Of course, don't forget to change this with your name. Alright, but if you are a creative person, then you can create, you know, beautiful looking ebook without you having to, you know, to having any kind of right, you know, just be creative, guys, and, you know, customize your ebook. And you know, you can, you know, put in like your thank you page right here. We welcome your feedback. Send us your email. You put in your information right here, right? Send us an email, and put in your email right here. Jer at, you know, jerdigital.com, and then put your website right here. You can also do that. https jerdigital.com. Right, put in like other information right there, and that's pretty much, guys, how you can create your own ebook and customize your own ebook. Right, it's really simple, and it's a really beautiful looking ebook, guys. Now what you can do, guys, is you can, you know, add more elements if you wanted to add more elements right here. Alright, and you can add in more pages if you wanted to add more pages right here. Alright, you can pretty much, you know, customize your ebook if you wanted to do that, and it's really powerful. Now if you're happy with all those changes, what you can do is you can click on generate ebook, and your ebook will automatically generate it in the background, right? And it will probably wait a couple of seconds or minutes. But yeah, you can view your ebook online, or you can download your PDF. Now what you can do is you can view this you know, online if you wanted to do that. Alright, so this is your ebook, and now you can make money off this ebook. You can sell this ebook, or you can give away this ebook, right? Or you can download a PDF right here, and it will automatically download it, your ebook, in your computer, right? And another thing that you can do with Scribble, guys, is that you can create an ebook cover. So it's really important that you have an ebook cover, right? So what I can do now is I'm gonna click on save and exit right here, and I'm gonna go back to my dashboard to create a background, or to create an ebook cover, because it's really important that we have an ebook cover, right? So I'm gonna show you how to do that using Scribble. Now what I can do is I can click on 3D Pantasia right here. I'm gonna click on 3D covers. Now this is part of the upsell. Now just like I said, guys, you can save, you know, hundreds of dollars, you know, couple of dollars if you guys use, you know, save 80 and use the link down in the description of this video if you guys would, you know, purchase a Scribble. Alright, so what I can do is I can click on new 3D cover. I can select a template right here, I'm gonna select a template. Let's say 5 ways to make money online. So I'm just gonna use this title right here. I'm gonna click on continue, and this is where I'm gonna choose a template, and I'm gonna choose that make money online for my cover. I'm gonna look for that make money online. Let's see if I can find that template. So this is the template that we'll be using, because this is the exact template that we use to create our ebook, right? So we'll be using this template right here. So I'm gonna click on that one. Alright guys, so that template has been loaded into our editor right here. Now we can change this into jercallora, because alright, so I'm happy with that. And then we can click on generate 3D cover, and we can also change the grids right here. Now I don't wanna do that. I'm just gonna click on generate cover, and then this is where you choose a cover for your ebook. So I'm just gonna choose this one right here. I'm gonna choose this one, and it will automatically create the beautiful looking cover that you can use for your ebook, right? Which is really powerful, right? So this right here is your ebook cover, which is really cool, guys. Right now you can click on download right here, and your ebook is now ready. You can sell your own ebook. You can give away this ebook, guys, and then you can build up your list and make money online. All right, so that's pretty much it, guys. That's really easy it is to create an ebook without writing a single word, which is really powerful. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys, and if you have any more questions about this, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer all the questions that you have, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Love you. Mwah.